Hi, my name is Kyle. I am a powerlifter. I started seeing Ryan in July of this year after I experienced bicep and shoulder discomfort while bench pressing and low bar squatting. Throughout my time working with Ryan, I have been able to increase my bench press 1 rep max from a previous 132 pounds to a current 135 pounds. And when I started working with Ryan, I wasn't even sure if I'd be able to continue pursuing powerlifting, let alone add weight onto my maxes. When I started seeing Ryan, I was 10 weeks out from my first powerlifting meet, and I had hit a point where I was considering dropping out because I was in so much discomfort and pain that I wasn't able to low bar squat effectively or bench press effectively anymore, and all of my lifts were starting to suffer. I'd been experiencing pain for about a month when I reached out to Ryan, and I reached out to him specifically because he helped me rehab an ankle knee injury last year that saved my squat. So as soon as I realized my issues weren't going away, I knew exactly who to turn to, and Ryan hasn't disappointed. I'm 2 weeks out from my meet now, and I am so excited to officially be a powerlifter, and I couldn't thank Ryan enough for helping me get here. His approach is fantastic because I didn't have to scale back on my meet prep at all. I didn't have to restrict my training in any way, and he worked with my coach to ensure that I would be able to continue with my goal of competing right on track. If I hadn't reached out to Ryan, I definitely wouldn't be competing in a couple of weeks. I probably would have had to take some serious time off from lifting and really allowed my body to rest and recover, but then I would have had a recurrent injury probably almost immediately without the rehab that Ryan has provided me. If you are a lifter who is experiencing an injury and you're hesitant about reaching out to Ryan, I genuinely cannot encourage you enough to reach out. You should not have to be in pain or discomfort, and you should not have to work with a physical therapist who's going to tell you to cut back on training or restrict your movements or take out your main training movements from your program. There's no reason you can't work with a barbell through your physical therapy rehab, and Ryan will show you that.